Welcome, everyone, to an exciting journey where we explore the hidden wonders of our world. Look around you. Everywhere you turn, from the smallest dust particle to the vast expanse of the cosmos, our world is absolutely brimming with scientific principles. Many people see science as complex or even boring, but I'm here to tell you that understanding it reveals a captivating magic hidden in the most mundane, everyday things. It's about seeing the extraordinary in the ordinary. This exploration delves into the fascinating intersection of science and what often appears to be magic. We'll uncover how seemingly impossible feats are, in fact, predictable phenomena governed by natural laws. We invite you to shed any preconceived notions you might have about science. Let go of the idea that it's just a collection of dry facts and formulas. Instead, embrace the wonder inherent in everyday life. Discover how a scientific lens can transform your perception of the world around you, making it more vibrant and astonishing. Our core argument today is simple yet profound. Science is not a dry collection of facts to be memorized. It is so much more than that. Science is a powerful tool, an incredible lens through which we can truly understand the world around us. It provides the framework for how everything works. Beyond understanding, science is also a powerful tool for manipulating the world. It allows us to innovate, create, and solve complex problems, shaping our future. Think about your daily life. Every single action, from the simple act of cooking a meal to the breathtaking beauty of watching a sunset, is governed by fundamental scientific laws. When you cook, you're engaging with chemistry and thermodynamics. The browning of food, the boiling of water, these are all scientific reactions happening right in your kitchen. And that stunning sunset? It's a spectacular display of light scattering and atmospheric physics. The colors you see are a direct result of how sunlight interacts with our planet's atmosphere. Our goal is to break down complex scientific concepts into digestible, easy-to-understand explanations. We want to make science accessible and exciting for everyone. We'll use relatable examples from your daily experiences to illustrate these scientific principles. This helps connect abstract ideas to the tangible world you inhabit. First, let's delve into the fascinating science of perception. Our senses, like sight and hearing, are incredible, but they can also be easily tricked and manipulated. Have you ever wondered how magicians perform their illusions? Often, it's not supernatural power, but a clever understanding of how our brains process sensory information. We'll explore the physics of light, understanding how it travels, reflects, and refracts. This knowledge is fundamental to comprehending how we see and how visual illusions work. Similarly, we'll touch upon the physics of sound. How do vibrations become the music you hear or the voices you recognize? It's all about wave propagation and interpretation. By understanding these principles, we can reveal how many illusions are created. It's a testament to the ingenuity of those who exploit our sensory shortcuts. Our brains are constantly interpreting sensory information, filling in gaps, and making assumptions. This process is incredibly efficient, but also prone to fascinating errors. This section encourages you to question your assumptions about perception. What you see or hear might not always be the complete or objective truth. Ultimately, this fosters a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of the mind. Our brains are truly remarkable, complex biological computers. Next, let's demystify the inner workings of the devices we use every single day. These aren't magic boxes. They're products of incredible scientific discovery. Take your smartphone, for instance. It's a marvel of engineering, combining countless scientific principles into one sleek device. It connects you to the world. Televisions, too, are incredible. How do tiny pixels create such vibrant, moving images? It's all thanks to our understanding of light, color, and electronics. Even something as seemingly simple as a microwave oven uses sophisticated science. It heats your food using electromagnetic radiation, a precise and controlled process. We'll explain the fundamental principles of electricity, the flow of electrons that powers almost everything around us. It's the invisible force behind modern life. Then there's magnetism, another invisible force that plays a crucial role in motors, generators, and data storage. It's deeply intertwined with electricity. We'll also explore the principles of wave propagation, which explain how signals travel through the air for your phone, Wi-Fi, and radio. It's all about energy moving through space. Understanding these technologies cultivates a profound appreciation for human ingenuity and scientific discovery. Every device is a testament to centuries of accumulated knowledge. Throughout this journey, we highlight the immense importance of questioning assumptions. Don't just accept things at face value. Ask why and how. We stress the need to conduct experiments, even simple ones, to test hypotheses. This hands-on approach is at the heart of scientific discovery. It's equally important to emphasize the value of analyzing data carefully and objectively. What do the results truly tell us? Are there patterns or anomalies? The ultimate aim is to arrive at informed conclusions based on evidence and logical reasoning, rather than on belief or speculation. This is the scientific way. This approach empowers you to be active participants in your own learning journey. You're not just receiving information, you're engaging with it critically. It fosters a deep sense of curiosity and a desire to explore. The world becomes your laboratory, and every question is an invitation to discover something new. Our ultimate goal is to transform how you perceive the world around you. We want you to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, the magic in the mundane. This exploration reveals the scientific magic hidden in every corner of everyday life. Once you understand the science, the world becomes a more enchanting place. We encourage you to embrace a renewed sense of wonder. Let your curiosity guide you to look deeper, to ask more questions, and to seek understanding. This journey promotes a profound appreciation for the beauty of the universe. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, everything is interconnected and magnificent. It also fosters appreciation for the incredible complexity of the universe. There's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to be amazed by. Science truly acts as a powerful lens, allowing us to understand the extraordinary in the ordinary. It turns everyday phenomena into captivating stories of discovery.